How do you deck the halls to supersize and grow your business? Sharon Horne-Ellstrom here. And our idiom, our expression for today, we're going to do Christmas ones between now and Christmas Day, is deck the halls. This is, of course, I'm decking myself since I'm not decking the halls. Using some fun garland, some old Scandinavian garland that I haven't hung up yet this year. So deck the halls, where does this come from? This is one of those expressions that is tied to the popular Christmas carol, Deck the Halls, which was originally from an older carol called Nos Galen or something. It's a Welsh, was originally Welsh, written by John Sirog Hughes. I could be meat axing his name. I tend to do that with names, including my own. My most misspelled word ever typed is my own name, which is, I find, very humorous, or my most mistyped. So it means, of course, to decorate or to put up decorations, right? To decorate or put things up, usually for the holidays, right? Christmas, New Year's, whatever you celebrate. And it actually originally referred to decorating for the new year. But that changed over time, and the English version was written by a Scottish musician, Thomas Oliphant, in 1862, and the melody came from a Welsh harpist named John Parry, or John Parry, P-A-R-R-Y, from the 1700s. So it's a really, really old tradition and Christmas carol, as well as New Year's celebration. But what does this have to do with growing and supersizing our business? My question for you today is, how do you deck the halls to supersize and grow your business? How do you decorate? How do you dress things up in pretty packages to supersize and grow your business? Well, there's a lot of different things you can do, especially this time of year. This time of year represents about 80 to 90% of the revenue that certain businesses bring into their organization for the entire year. Not all businesses, of course, but seasonal businesses, especially those dependent on Christmas and this time of year and gift giving, 80%, up to 90% of their sales can happen in the month of December. So what are some of the things that we can do to capitalize on that people are shopping and spending more in the month of December than they spend throughout the entire rest of the year? Well, we can have a sale, right? We can offer a sale. We can offer a discount or a bonus on the products and services that we already offer. We can package things together and create a new and unique offer. We can use email and social media to communicate with people. We could do an advertising campaign, right? We can decorate our place of business, our shop. I used to always call my businesses the shop. My physical businesses, I still call the shop. I tell the kids, hey, I'm going to the shop, meaning I'm going to my business location. I'm going to work. I'm going to my place of business. So it's just a more, I don't know why I always called it the shop. It's funny because it's manufacturing, big manufacturing companies, and I call it the shop. So we can decorate our shop. I always decorated and still do decorate my businesses for Christmas. Number one, it brings in the holiday spirit and the sense of camaraderie and cheer that we all want to experience around the holidays, year round, but especially around the holidays. So we can also deck the halls as a business. Look at the business of people decorating people's homes and putting up Christmas lights. I don't even know how long that's been around, but 10 years ago, you'd have to hire a handyman. Now there are entire businesses and industries that put up your lights, store your lights, and then put them up year after year after year. You buy the lights up front, yet they put them up for you, then they store your Christmas decorations, and then they put them up next year. And you can have contracts to do that. So it can be a business, decorating, and of course, decorating is a huge business. You can also have banquet halls, literally halls that are a business. Look at all, I don't know if this is throughout the country, but in the Midwest, there's this big resurgence of fixing up barns or building barns to make them event locations for weddings and other events that people like to attend. So it can be a whole business. So I'm curious, share in the comments below, how are you decking the halls this year for your business? Just share one or two ways so we can learn from one another. That's it. That's our Christmas related idiom or holiday season related idiom for today. I will be with you tomorrow with my buddy, the Rudolph, the reindeer bear. Oh, he's not Rudolph because he doesn't have a red nose, but the reindeer bear for a December idiom having to do with the holidays. If you've got a suggestion for me, hit me up. Otherwise, I've got 7 or 8 already planned for the week up until Christmas Day. Have an awesome day, and I will, of course, be with you tomorrow. Go deck the halls.